Hello, my name is Sunil Joshi. I am President of Sales for Sandvik Coromant in India. And of course, I've been working with Sandvik Coromant for the last 25 years. I joined the company in the year 2000 into different roles since then. And since the last 4 years, I am responsible heading the Sandvik sales for Coromant in India. And of course, Sandvik Coromant in India has been since the year 1960. And since then, we have been also increasing our footprint in India. We have the manufacturing facility and also a very big sales network of our own as well as through our distributors as well. Yes, so I would like to take you a little bit back in terms of the year 2023, wherein Sandvik Coromant launched a new brand identity. As you see, we have a new brand identity. Along with that, we have also launched our new brand promise, which is called as Manufacturing Wellness. And that is what we are, I would say, displaying at our booth today, this time in IMTEX, and wherein we are wanting customers to look at the 7 healthy habits which we are promoting. And by incorporating these healthy habits into their production and manufacturing processes, they can make their, I would say, production more thriving as well as resilient. And of course, apart from that, we are having a concept of an advisory booth, wherein we are having pre-booked meetings with our customers. They're coming with the challenges, I would say, component solutions, drawings, machine investment plans, and we are having meaningful discussions with all our customers so that we give the most value of their time. And of course, we do have our tools in action. And they are with our machine tool partners. And if any customer would like to see the tools in action, they can actually visit the machine tool builders as well. Yes, as we know, Sandvik Coromant as a company, we invest close to 3 to 4% of our turnover into R&D. And every year, we launch 2,500 new products. And these are innovative products. We have also launching a lot of new grades. Our new coating techniques and PVD coating techniques that we are launching along with the new grades, they are, I would say, multi-layer nano coatings with unidirectional crystal orientation, and they also offer better tool life. 20 to 30% tool life is what they can expect. We have also launched a new innovation which is called as prime turning. You can do turning in all the directions. At the same time, we have launched a new, I would say, parting and grooving system last year, which has given a lot of benefits to the customers. And this year as well, we are going to launch a new drilling system soon in March. Yes, from Sandvik Coromant global perspective, India is a focused market. There is a lot of growth opportunities in India, the way we are set apart in terms of the fantastic macros that we are having. At the same time, the key growth segments for Sandvik Coromant in India would be aerospace, which is going to grow at a growth rate of around 10 to 12%. Then general engineering, which would be driven by the infrastructure development. At the same time, railways and defense would be the sectors which would be growing in India. And also, automotive is pretty big, and at the same time, it is also set to grow at a flattish pace of around 3 to 4%. So choosing the sustainable path is one of our healthy habits that we have in our manufacturing wellness. At the same time, we are also taking a lot of initiatives when it comes to, I would say, supporting our customers on sustainability. So the first one is we have also signed the SBTi Science-Based Targets Initiative, wherein we would be a circular company by 2030. And it means that all new carbide inserts that I will manufacture by 2030 would be made from recycled carbide. We have a recycling plant in Chiplund, wherein we buy back carbide inserts, drills and mills of any make. These are recycled, and then we reuse the processed tungsten metal for making the new carbide inserts. So today 45% of our carbide inserts that we sell are coming from recycled carbide. At the same time, we have something called as a sustainability analyzer tool, with which if a customer is conducting any demonstration, he can get to know that how much is the kilowatt hour power reduction he can get by utilizing our new solutions, and how much does it contribute into the CO2 reduction, footprint reduction. So that's what we are doing as a part of the sustainability initiatives. So we are also increasing our manufacturing footprint in Pune, in India. So wherein we are increasing our capacity for manufacturing the inserts and tool holders. At the same time, we are also adding the competence of our own frontline sales. So all our application specialists currently are equipped with CAM. So when they visit any customers, they are able to provide the solutions which are supporting the customer in the entire manufacturing value chain and helping them to be more productive and shaping the future together along with them. Thank you.